So guys, if you want to fix camera problem on your Redmi A7, then you don't need to stress about it. There's a quick fix that can help you fix it easily without going into anything complicated. If this made things easier for you, do support the video by liking it and don't forget to subscribe for more simple fixes. Alright, let's fix it.